Hello everyone! During the winter session, we have learned about several religious, philosophical and intellectual movements that have shaped the American history. I've chosen to talk about Romanticism. This movement was a direct rebellion to the Age of Reason, a journey away from the corruption of civilization and limits of rational thoughts toward the integrity of nature and the freedom of imagination. We need then to keep in mind that conservative Romanticism praised tradition and pushed American religion towards traditional fundamentals. Romantic philosophers and scholars believed in the importance of preserving tradition over reason. They embraced the past and glorified tradition and history as a different way of questioning the supremacy of reason. I will try to evoke some of the ones that led the Romantic movement. De Maistre talked about posterity justifying existence. According to his doctrine, all knowledge of truth in the religious and moral order rests on an original divine revelation transmitted from age to age in an unbroken tradition. Hegel doubted that one can make any break with the past. His approach about the historical progress used the model of creation, development, and construction. You exist until you exist. Your existence and the concept pushing against it. Thesis, antithesis, and synthesis. For Hegel, the new is constantly incorporating the old. Another model from René de Chateaubriand, a leading figure in the French Romanticism movement, consisted of worshipping the past with the sake of aesthetic purpose rather than philosophical one. The sublime of Christianity would push people to come back. He didn't necessarily attempt to prove the truth of Christianity, but he wanted to show its beauty as an important form of inspiration. One of the great outputs of Romanticism resulted in a place called the German Reformed Merseburg Seminary. The Merseburg movement was promoted by John Nevin and Philip Schaff through the use of historic practices and the recovery of the Calvinist theology. These people were eager to preserve their ancestral identity and promoted a theory of historical development. Nevin rejected the legacy of Jonathan Edwards and its theological abstraction by believing that Christianity was not necessarily a doctrine or a law, but a new sphere of life introduced by the Incarnation and promoting the experience of worship through theology. He criticized Finney's ideas and the illogical abstraction of Princeton's thinking throughout his writings in this context, such as The Anxious Bunch and The Mystical Body. American Romanticism shared a number of characteristics with European Romanticism, but it had its own uniquely American characteristics as well. Growing as it did from a particularly American brand of religious thought, Puritanism in particular, shaped as it was by the American landscape and situated as it was in the wake of American revolutionary thoughts.